Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD, British Pound US Dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. And do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of GBP USD, and as you can see, I'm in the 4 hours time frame, my favorite. So at first, let's do the analysis. Okay, so you can see that market is an uptrend, no doubt about it. Okay, and after this particular price level, okay, market went into a range, and we can see that market is still trading in a particular tight range. Okay, market is an uptrend, but right now market is caught in a range. Clear? Okay, and if you have watched my previous videos, then hopefully you have made good money, because see, I recommended buy at this particular two levels. Okay, and we saw that market bounced from the support level as we expected. Okay, so right now market is in a tight range, and if I take you to the weekly chart, this is the weekly chart of GBP USD, and you can see that just like Euro USD, okay, just like Euro USD, market, okay, market is facing resistance from a price level from the third week of Feb. This candle was formed in the third week of Feb. Before that, market was very much bullish. Just look at the uptrend of GBP USD. Market was bullish; it was flying high. But after this candle, the picture changed a lot. Market tried to go up, the price failed to sustain, and price came down, and market formed a shooting star kind of a pattern. And this particular price level, okay, is now acting as a resistance, the market. And we can see that for the past 4 weeks or for past 1 month, market is struggling to cross the level, and market is unable to do so. And as a result, market is still trying. Okay, and right now market is caught in a range. Okay, only because of that particular resistance level, okay, market is still struggling. Otherwise, market was very much bullish, and you can see that though market is caught in a range, things are well and good. Okay. And if I take you to today's currency strength meter, and you can see that GBP is very strong, okay, in comparison to US dollar. This is a currency strength meter, and this is for the daily. Okay, GBP is extremely strong, in fact strongest among all the currency pairs. GBP is very strong in comparison to USD. Okay, and as a result, you can see that, okay, when sellers try to push the price downward, it formed a pin bar kind of a pattern with huge price rejection from below. And right now we can see that it has formed a good green candle, healthy green candle with price rejection from below. GBP is strong today. That's why we are seeing good up moves. Okay, so let's jump to the strategy. What should be a strategy then? As I've already mentioned in my previous videos, that see, this is the best trading level for us right now, 1.4100. This is the best support level, or if you ask me, Avilash, what is the best level here, then I'll say that this is the best level here. Okay, number one, because the overall market is an uptrend. Okay, and as we all know, we should always follow the trend. Trend is our best friend. Trend is our soulmate. Okay, I went too far. Okay, trend is our friend. Okay, this is a popular saying in the market. Trend is our friend. Okay, therefore, as we all know, we should always follow the trend. And in an uptrend market, the area of value, okay, in an uptrend market, the area of value or the best trading opportunity is always near the support. And in this case, we can see that area of value or the best trading opportunity is this level. Okay, right now market is caught in a range, therefore yes, you can short the market at this resistance also, but the safest position to enter is this price level, 1.4100. And you can see that right now market is in a range, and whenever market is getting selling pressure, okay, it is whenever market face selling pressure, it took support at this price level. So this level is acting as a valid support. Therefore, right now market has gone up, right now market is trading in the middle. Okay, therefore this is not the ideal position to buy, because as I always say, do not chase the market, let the price come to you. And if you go ahead and buy here, then you'll be compromising with your trading discipline. Your risk to reward ratio does not match. Therefore, wait for the perfect opportunity. Okay, wait for the market to come down to this price level. So when market will reach this particular level, okay, then just observe the price and see how the price reacts. Because see, this is a support, that does not mean that this is a concrete support. Okay, there is a possibility that market may break also, because market is in a range for last 1 month. Okay, therefore we cannot be too sure that this is the ultimate support. Okay, therefore confirmation is always important. So if market comes down to the particular support level, okay, then you'll get the confirmation in the form of a hammer. Means when market will reach the support level, okay, it will try to bounce, like this, and you'll get price rejection from below. Once you see that, okay, after touching the support level, it is forming a hammer kind of a pattern or price rejection from below, you'll get a confirmation that yes, this level 1.4100 is still a valid support. It is providing the required support to the market, and you can go for buy order. Okay, on the other hand, if it goes up from here, then you need to observe the price at this particular price level, 1.4245 level. Okay, when it will touch this resistance level, again your duty is to observe the price level. Okay, observe the price level and see how the price reacts. If you see that market is struggling near the resistance, okay, it is unable to cross the black line or the resistance level, then you'll get a confirmation that yes, sellers are still sitting at the price level and they are pushing the price. And if you want, then you can short term market also, because this is your second trading opportunity. Generally I do not recommend shorting the market, whenever market is going up, but right now we are caught in a range. So yes, if you want to take a risk, then you can short the market also at this particular price level. But right now market is trading in the middle. This is your no trading zone. Do not forget, no trading zone, because your risk to reward ratio does not match. Because if you buy here, your stop loss will be here. So no. And on the other hand, GBP is very strong today. So in case it crosses this particular level, price level, then wait for 4 to 8 hours, 6 hours, and just see how the price reacts. If you see that it has given a breakout, it is the price is trading comfortably now, there is no price struggle, then you'll get a confirmation that yes, ultimately the market has crossed the resistance, and the resistance has become the support now, and this level will become your new area of value. Okay, or the new support or the next support, and you can go for buying order. But right now market is in a range, so forget about buying above this level. Okay, so right now just concentrate on a market until and unless market is trading in between this range. Short the market here if it reverses, and go for buy if it takes support and bounces at this level. Okay, these are the two important levels. Okay, in case if it breaks, gives you a breakout, unexpected breakout, then that's a different chapter. You can go for buy order once you get the confirmation after waiting for a couple of hours. Okay, so this is it. Hopefully you have understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care.